to discuss one of the famous interview question like which I was faced when I was a fresher. Here also same thing. Either will ask. The requirement is simple that he has given one string S1 is equal to radar, and he wants to find the palindrome. Palindrome means radar opposite is radar. RADR. So what I will do, I will create one another string reverse, and what I will do step one as I will reverse this string. So you know already how we can reverse the string. In the previous video I have explained. You can go through in a playlist, you can get to know. From here we can reverse the string. So our reverse string is radar. But one thing he told me like don't use any kind of event function. We can't use equal, we can't use compare, we can't use any kind of inbuilt functions. So without inbuilt function we need to write that logic. So simple is the logic. For that we need to take for when I is equal to 0, I less than S1 dot length, I plus plus, right? If S1 dot char sorry S1 dot char at I not equals to reverse dot char at I. Mostly this logic R this all thing is equal. If it is not equal, we are assigning, we are creating one Boolean variable. We need to create Boolean is equal. Assign with this false. We are assigning this one as a false. False. We are assigning this one as a false. And now this we are assigning this keys Boolean value false. Break. Or else block you can write, or you can like else you can take is this one as 2. You can't use if you use else block or not, it is not an issue. We can use at the end also. So if you go this one, what we are doing here, we are checking like if this is equals, then we are assigning true. Yes, if it is equal. If this is not equals, then it became false. So here finally we can check one logic. If is equal to true, so what let's suppose for it's not equals if you x equals x starting now do both. Save this one, now run this application equals we got equals. Now we will do one we can use another, like we can use hello for testing purpose. That equals, but you can assume one to that equals. So like this way you need to develop the approach like without using string inbuilt functions. If you give any interview, then prepare all the functions without using their inbuilt function like substring, replace, compare, reverse. For all this, replace all, substring, index of. So all these things you need to know how internal it is working. Then only you can able to crack any string coding interface. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. Thanks for watching. One of the famous interview question like check if one string is rotation of another string or not. So basically for pressure level, definitely they will ask this kind of questions. So the approach is very simple. How we can do? First, we need to check the length. This tool strength. So tool strength. So first we need to check with the length of two strings S1 S2 if they are equal or not, right? So same we will do. And second thing, what we have to do, I will tell you just if S1 dot length is equal to S2 dot length. If both are equal, then what we are doing here, if you see this string, what I am doing, I am taking one another string temp. I am adding S1 plus S1. Why I am adding, I will tell you. See, if we add this temp, one value of temp is hello, hello. If you see the value of this S2 value is hello HGL. Well, now you see lower, lower. Yeah. So what we can do? We can match like this. Lowell, we will add. Now you can get CC. Lowell is there. Here Lowell is also there. Yes. What do you do? If temp dot contains S2, then sys out equal else not equal. Now run this program. If this, now run this program. Equal. But the thing is, if I was your interviewer, I won't allow you to use this approach contains method. Why? Because like it is becoming simple and you are using content, you are able to find it is string or not. So what I will do if I was your interviewer, definitely I won't allow to use this method contains or index of method. I will allow to write the logic for the contain without using contain, just check the strings are equal or not. Without this logic, I won't allow you. So for this one, you can do one thing. You can in playlist you can check my one video is substring. So in this video, here also I have done same thing. If you see hello is there, Lowell is there. If you run this one, substring is found, right? So I will ask you to write this logic and then you can able to do that program. Because in basically in interview level, definitely they won't escape this kind of content thing. Definitely they want the logic. So logic for content is same as what is there in substring. You can use same logic which I have explained in previous videos. Go with this video and instead of using contents, use this method and try to produce the rotation. The rotation is there or not. So that's about this video. Hope you like, subscribe, and share to your colleagues. The question which I was faced when I was a fresher. So this interview question is very easy. Like when I was a fresher, so I faced in like one of the startup company. So the interviewer has given one input like how are you? So what he wants, like he wants to print the first letter of this one, H1, H and A and Y. So basically it means to print the first letter of a word. So for this one, just the approach we can do. So first we need to think like how we can print the H. So if you see here, how we can print the H. So if you look at this diagram, you are able to see this one. Like if I is equal to 0, we can print H. Simple. Another thing, what we need to check two condition window. This index should not equals to what we say, any space. That is a condition. These two condition we need to check. Like how we can write this condition for this one? Simple is there. Like if I is equal to 0 and ch of our I not equals to space. If we check this condition, definitely it will print h, right? So just I will show you like how we can print the h and how we can print the remaining this value. This one, this a. How we can print then this one, what we say, this y. So some approach is very simple. Like I will show you over here. So what first thing what we have to, we need to convert this to string array. S dot to char array. To char array we need to convert into like here something we need to convert for loop. And I will do 0. I less than s dot length I plus plus. If I is equal to 0, and ch of I not equals to space. H. You can see we are able to print the H. So now our first aim is completed. Like we are able to print this H. Now second task is like we need to print this A and Y. So same approach we need to use. Approach is simple. For this one, what we can do? If you see here, like here one space is there, right? Here if you see, one space is there. And here, if you see here, this character is there. So what we do, we will use one condition like what we can do. If this character, we say ch of I minus 1 is equal to space. We are checking like if this is equal to space, print this one. Like for example, 4 you can take. Okay, 4 is the index. So 4 here, 4 minus 3 is like 3. Yeah, sorry, 4 minus 1. We can get the 3. So we will check this 3 value is equal to space. Yes, it is equal. Print. So what we need to print? Print this I value. What is the I value? 4. Fourth. What will do? We print I value. Print I value. Here. Print I value. I. Ch of I. Here also same thing. We can check 8 minus 4. Here 8 is there. So 8 minus 1 is 7. This 7 value is equal to space. is equal to space. Yes. Then we print this one. That's all. Here we need to write one condition, or it's or ch of I minus 1 is equal to space. Save this, now run this one. We are able to see H, A, Y. That's all. Simple logic. Just if you see the logic, like for printing 0, we know I, and this condition we need to check not equal to space. Yes, correct. And other thing is simple. We need to check minus, we need to check, and we need to check if it is space. That's all. Here also we need to do same thing. We need to check like if it is space, then print this index. Simple. So this question definitely asks for the freshers. So it is very easy, like you can able to get. Thanks.